Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we will learn and solve exercise 10E, questions 1 to 10 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. First bit is what shape is a full moon? Full moon, shape of a full moon is circle. What shape, second bit, what shape are the wheels of a scooter? Wheels of a scooter, this is circle shape. So full moon is circle shape and wheels of the scooter are also circle shape. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is use circle O at the right to the name of the following figures. First draw the figures. This figure is given. This is a circle. Here and here. And this is the center point is O. Radius C. This is C. This is A. And this is the point B. Use circle O. This is the center O. To the right to the name of the following figures. 3 radii. Which are the 3 radii in this given figure? The radii are O to A, O to B and O to C. So there are 3 radii in this figure, OA, OB and OC. OA, OB, OC. These are the 3 radii of this figure. Now second bit, 3 chords. First draw the figure, circle, and this is diameter. Here, this is the center O, OA, OB, OC. 3 chords. Chords is the joining any points on the circle. So AC. A and C are the points on the circle. So AC is a chord. And B and C also the points on the circle. So BC also a chord. And A and B are also the points on the circle. So AB is also a chord. And AB is the largest chord, that is the diameter of a circle. Diameter is the largest chord in a circle. So AC, BC and AB. These are the 3 chords in this figure. The chords are 3 chords are AC, BC and AB of this figure. Now third bit C. Diameter. First draw the figure. This figure is given. This is a circle. Diameter. And this is the chord. And this is the point A, B, C and the middle point. This is O, center of the circle. And from O, OC. Diameter. Diameter is the largest. Diameter is twice of radius. Here OA and OB are the radius. So AB is a diameter. Diameter is twice of the radius and diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Fourth bit D. A triangle that has the center of the circles, the vertex. First draw the figure. This is diameter, chord, and this is radius. This is the point center O, OA, OB, OC. A triangle that has the center of the circle. Triangles are O, A, O, C. AOC is a triangle and B, O, C also a triangle. So triangle A, O, C, triangle B, OC. These are the two triangles in this figure. Now we will solve question number 3. O is the center of the circle shown here. Fill up the blanks in the following. First draw the figure. This is the figure given. This is diameter A, B, center O. This is OL. And this one CD, C, D. And here this is the tangent. CQ. This is P. And this is Q. OL is the dash of the circle. OL is the radius of the circle. This is the radius. And from the center O to a point on the circle. So this is the radius. OL is the radius of the circle. Second bit. AB is a dash of the circle. AB. AB, this is twice of the radius. Radius are OA and OB are the radius. So AB is 2 times of OA and 2 times of OB. So AB is a diameter of the circle, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. So AB is a diameter. Now we will solve question number 3b. Dash is the chord of the circle. First we draw the given figure. This figure is given. This is AB. This is center O. This one is L. And this is C and D. And this is P. And this is Q. Dash is the chord of the circle. We know the line joining any points on the circle is the chord of a circle. So CD is the point. CD are the points on the circle. So CD is a chord. So CD is the chord of the circle. CAD is an dash of the circle. CAD. CAD is the arc of the circle. Arc. Now question number 5th bit. CAD BLC is the dash of the circle. First draw the figure. This is the figure given. A, B, this is center O, this one is L, C, D, and this one is P, and this one is Q. CADBLC. CAD, CAD, this is B, L, C. This is the circumference or the perimeter of the circle. Circumference. This is the circumference or the perimeter of the circle. Now we will solve question number 4. Refer to the adjoining figure. O is the center of the circle. Fill up the blanks in the following. First draw the figure. This is the figure. And this is diameter. This is also diameter. This one is O. And O. This one is B. AB. C. D. And this is CQ. COA. This is COA. This is COA. AOD. AOD, AOD, DOB, DOB, BOC, BOC. These are the four quadrants of the circle. Quadrants all are equal to 90 degree. So in a circle there are four quadrants. So COA, AOD, BOC and DOB are the four quadrants of the circle. Now second bit, LOM is the dash of the circle. First draw the figure. This is the figure. This one is A, C, B, D, O, L and M. This is P and this is Q. This is M. LOM is a dash of the circle. L, this is L, O, M. This is LOM. This one is the sector of the circle. So LOM is the sector of the circle. Now third bit, PA, Q and P is a minor dash of the circle. Let's draw the figure. These are the four quadrants, A, B, C and D. This is O, center, M, M. And this is Q, Q. And this is M. M. PA, Q and P. P, A, Q and P. PA, Q and P is a minor segment. This is minor segment and P, L, B, M, C, Q. This is major segment. So PA, Q and P is the minor segment of the circle. Now fourth bit, PB, Q and P is a dash segment of the circle. Let's draw the figure. These are the four quadrants, A, center O, B, C and D. This is O and O, L, M. This is P, Q. And this is M. P, B, Q and P. P, this is P, B, P, B, Q and P. Q and P. P, P, Q and P is the major segment of the circle. This is major segment of the circle and PA, Q and P is the minor segment of the circle. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any